He's stuck, Paul. He's stuck. He's stuck.
He's over the line.
What?
He's over the line.
Stop us out.
Gates won't come down till they move back.
Move the line, Paul.
See? He went over the line.
Bring me, Paul. All new.
Yeah?
New thing is.
Yeah. There's the Great Western.
Come on, Paul.
And be a robber, right? So, you see these now, haven't they? You see the light, double red flash then?
Yeah. These are automatic now, Paul.
Yeah.
Automatic.
You go down on your own.
What's that box for there?
Well, which thing?
Yeah.
Boiler.
What?
Oh, that makes the noise when it's like for heater.
What's that box for? What do you got these?
Oh, the boilers.
No, those boxes there.
Oh, for these. They're connected in that.
Are they new?
Mhm.
New lights?
Yeah. You see the cameras in the back?
Where?
Over there.
Hmm?
You see the camera?
Yeah, what's that for?
Whoever misuses the red light will get fined.
Well, look, guys, go camera now. What you did? Stop us now.
Oh, he'll have software and got paid fine.
You got 9 years.
Yeah. I put it on Facebook site now.
No, it's gone over line. Paul. That's how it's lost line.
Hmm.
What time is that train? Paul.
11.
11. Really, yeah. What's that, man?
Not here yet.
You getting things up? What's that say, Ed?
Hmm?
What's that say?
Don't know yet. How much is on rail card?
Yeah. Everything's on yours. Everything's on yours. I think things is on you.
Mhm.
Things on.